Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Dough pizza. Not just any kind of pizza though, a dessert pizza. And if you don't know me, you should know that I love dessert, especially chocolate. Now, let's see what we need to get started. First, here are the colors that you're going to need. Off-white, white, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. You're also going to need a rolling pin, a pizza cutter, because we're making pizza, and a knife. First, I'm going to start with the dough. Now we're not going to add any regular sauce, we're going to be adding chocolate sauce. On my dessert pizza, I love M&Ms and marshmallows, so that's what I'm making today. First, I'm going to start off with some of the M&Ms. Great so far. Now we're on to the marshmallows. Dessert pizza. It looks awesome. I think I really want to try a bite. No, just kidding. I don't think I really want to be eating Play-Doh right now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making this. And be sure to come back next time on Happy Kids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.